Dogman, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey. As George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi and Wes Joba. Chapter 13. This might be a problem. The propeller was recovered and reattached. This is glue. Strong stuff. And soon the damaged sub,
this is tape, strong stuff,
was set to soar again.
This is a critic making cock, strong stuff.
I think we're ready to go.
What could possibly go wrong? But then... Help! It's a giant monster!
Actually, it's really just a microscopic parasitic mite of the genus Demodex. In small numbers, they're quite harmless.
Uncle Larry!
This looks like a job for the Supa Buddies. We need our costumes.
And so...
Something is missing. Hey! What about EDC? Oh yeah!
Hey! We need help! Would you hurry up?
We are hurry-upping! You guys can't be the Supa Buddies if you don't have EDC! She's right. EDC's hands are full. Maybe I can take his place! But you don't have a costume.
Zong!
Woo!
Zing zong, zing zong! What's taking so long?
We're doing something important too! Wow!
And so...
Wow! Our awesome! Thanks, EDC! Now we just need to think of my superhero name!
Oh, come on!
Seriously? Okay! Team win! We can work on my superhero name after we... Hey! Where did everybody go?
You're too late, kid. Gah.
Be nice, Susie. I think everybody got swallowed. Hey! You went to our friends! Let's get him!
Flip-O-Rama! Bash that bug! Ready? Mighty Fighty! Chapter 14. And then there were two. I'm scared, Bob! Me too! I thought fear was supposed to make everybody happy! It's not working! But then... Hey! Wait a minute! It's not just fear, it's anger too! Oh yeah! But how do we... Pie! Zip! But then... Oh, so you like these pies, huh? They're pretty good, aren't they? Well, park your monies, Junior! There will be no more pies for you! Unless you give us back our friends! Roar! Don't you talk back to me! Who do you think you are? This is my house, and I want my friends back! Come and get your pies, Junior! Nom nom! Nom nom!
Let's get out of here!
Okay, start the engines.
Aye aye, Captain!
Reel in those arms, ADHD. And get ready to grow.
Hey, Uncle Larry?
Yes?
Can we grow super duper big?
Gosh, we've never tried that before. Let's do it.
Sub will grow in 5 seconds. 4, 3,
Chapter 15. Exactly 109 seconds earlier. Well, that was easy. I robbed 5 banks today, and nobody even noticed. They're all too busy being scared and angry. Nobody is paying attention to the real problem, which is me. Now it's time to relax in my luxurious new castle, which I just purchased with my ill-gotten gains. Ah, this is the life. What could possibly go wrong? But then... My ill-gotten gains!
Wow, look how little Piggy is.
Aw, he's so cute. Can we keep him?
If you promise to make him happy.
Oh, we know how to do that.
Hey,
and the 1,
no
and the 2, and the
friendly friends, flying across the page. Piggy is our little pet and he loves his little cage.
Friendly friends, watch him eat his meal.
Oh, what fun
To see him run
on a friendly hamster wheel.
Chapter 16. In Search of the Depth. And in the end, old friends, new friends, and friends we sort of forgot about 10 chapters ago, all worked together to help Petey rebuild his lab. Soon, it was time to stop for the day.
Let's all go to Dogman's house. We can eat supper together.
Hooray!
And so... Thanks for all of your kindness, everyone.
I told you we'd find somebody to help you, Wally.
But why me?
That's why we're here, Papa. To help each other.
It's like the sea, Petey. You can just dip your toes in, or you can fathom the soundless depths.
That's what I was talking about back in chapter 5. You can do the bare minimum and slide through life. Or you can give more. Give what you didn't get. Love more. And drop the old story. That was my whole point.
Yeah, we know. But it always sounds better when she says it.
The end.